Hello, and welcome back to the Abode of Unity. Happy to have you. Happy to be here. So, the purpose of this guided meditation was actually supposed to be at the end of my imagination video here, but I decided last minute to cut it out because I think it didn't go with the flow of the video. Instead, I was contemplating on making that short part at the end into its own video, and I'm glad that I did, because even though it's short, I think it's the perfect short but sweet combination where whenever you're feeling stressed or maybe to start and end your day, you can come back to the guided part of this video and remind yourself of the beauty you can create in every moment. I invite you to take a couple deep breaths to get into a more relaxed state of being so that you're able to receive this meditation as best as possible. And with that, I hope that you enjoy the meditation. I want you to close your eyes with me. Now, imagine yourself standing in a distant land. Maybe a place you'd like to travel to, or maybe a majestic fantasy world. Feel a nice soothing breeze rush across your face. And as the wind passes, so does the most beautiful scent. Vividly take in this smell. Just as the wind goes, let your arms go. Let your beliefs go. And let your identity go. As you do this, you become weightless and free. You can open up your eyes now. I want you to take this feeling of awe and serenity you're able to create anywhere at any time, and let it pour into your everyday life. Use this wonderful feeling to your advantage and just start doing. Much love, peace, and abundance to you. As the video ends and my outro plays, I encourage you to listen to the rest of the music with your eyes closed, and even when the video ends, continue to sit there with your eyes closed and let the abundance you just created come alive in the pure and absolute silence. And with that, I'll see you in my next adventure.